Hello everyone, so this is the bar. There's a couple things that you guys can do with this.
This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Bar and band set, so let's go ahead and show you guys everything. So you get a two-piece bar that threads into each other. You get a carrying bag and your band. But put the bar together and you put it through and you just step like this. Now that definitely gives you a good workout, and that is one method that you guys can do. So guys, you can also have it like this. Now it's a little tough, I think you go on the outside. And there's a lot of other ways you can use this with, guys. So guys, overall this is actually a great workout, and I love